So we have saw the learning the basic things for algebra. So now we are going to learn about like and unlike terms. The terms means what? The things which is given in between addition, subtraction, or multiplication, or division, or with a comma, anything. So that are said to be terms. The number is said to be, or the variable is said to be term. Okay, 3a, comma 5a, and 9a. So there may be difference with the numbers, but if you observe the variable, all the variables are same, right? So 3a, 5a, and 9a have the same variable a. Only the coefficients are different, is it? Yes. So such terms which have the same variable are called like terms. So which have the same variable is called as like terms. Okay, so the coefficient may differ, but the variable should be same. If the variables are same, then it is called the like terms. Unlike means what? The opposite. If the variables are different, like 8a plus 5b have different variables, a and b, both have different variables, then the term is called unlike terms. So which terms have same variables? It's a like term. Different variables, unlike terms. X comma y, is it a like or unlike? Unlike term, because for first one x variable, second one y variable, both are different variables, so unlike terms. xy comma 3xy, xy comma 3xy, both the terms have two variables and the two variables are the same, xy for first one also, second one also xy, so it's a like terms. xy comma 3xy are like terms. So next one, 4p, 5q, 2r, 3p, 10q, r, 3p, 4r, 10q. So like this, it will be mingled and given together. You have to take and write the like terms. So here the variables are p, q, r. Yes, three variables, different variables are there. So for p, we have to take and write the like terms. For q, we have to take and write the like terms. For r, we have to take and write. Like for p, 4p, 3p, and 3p. Two 3p's are there. So 4p, 3p, 3p are the like terms. And second one for q, 5q, 3q, 10q. And for r, 2r, r, 4r. So these are the like terms. So not only one or two things will be given, but it can be given more than 5 or 10. So from there we have to take and write the like terms, collect and write the like terms. So same like that, we'll try for one more. xy, 4xy, 3yx, xyz, 4xyz. So first we are going to see the like terms. So what are the like terms? xy, yes, 4xy obviously, 3yx, yx or xy, both are same. The place may be changed, but both are same. xy is also known as yx. Okay. Next one, z is a, we can make it as a coefficient and xy as a variable, right? So for that also like term, for 4xyz, xy is a, if you are taking as xy as a variable, 4 is a coefficient. So everything is a like term. So another one, we have three terms, right? X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z, 4X, Y, Z. Both are like terms. So the thing is, we have to observe it. Whether it is a like or unlike. Are you writing it right or wrong? Okay, so observe and then write the like terms. Like terms means the variable should be same. Simplification of algebraic expression. So this is the major thing, how to apply the operations in an algebraic expression. So in this, the important point is only the coefficients can be added or subtracted. Only the coefficients can be added or subtracted. when both the variables are same. We can add the coefficients, not the variables. And more than that, the variables should be same. Then only we can add the coefficient. Otherwise, we can't add it. So let's try problems. Then you can understand it clearly. Right, 3a plus 2b plus 4a plus b. So in this, first collect and write the variables of a, variables of b. Like 3a plus 4b plus 2b plus 3b. When you are arranged like that, you can got to know like variables of a can be added separately, variables of b can be added separately. So 3a plus 4a is 7a. So 2b plus 1 more b, 3b. So the answer is 7a plus 3b. We can't simplify more than that because a, b, two terms having two different variables. So that cannot be added. Okay. So we can add the coefficient. We can add only the coefficients or subtract the coefficients, but not the variables. And one more thing is, if the variables are same only, we can do addition or subtraction or anything. Okay, so let's do one more problem. 3x plus 4y plus 4y plus 3z plus 4x minus 3z. So it's a given in mingle order. So as I said, we have to take and write in the order of x, y and z. Three different variables. So 3x plus 4x plus 4y plus 4y plus 3z minus 3z. So 3x plus 4x is 7x plus 4y plus 4y 8y. If you see the z plus 3z minus 3z. So 3z minus 3z can be subtracted. So 0, that we don't want to write. So the answer of 3x plus 4y plus 4y plus 3z plus 4x minus 3z is equal to 7x plus 8y. So the major thing in simplification of addition and subtraction only we are applying here. There's nothing but we can add only the coefficient, and the second point is we can add or subtract when the variables are same. Otherwise, we can't add the coefficients also. Okay. Yes. So we have learned interesting one algebra and many things we learned, right? So do some recollection. Again, you can go through the video and